Solution from here. What we have, we can write this as x over 5 all raised to power 4 equals to 81, same thing as 3 raised to power 4. Then also we apply the law of indices. A over b all raised to power n. This is the same thing as a raised to power n over b raised to power n. So here we have x raised to power 4 over 5 raised to power 4 equals to, you can write this as 3 raised to power 4 over 1. Then we cross multiply here. X raised to power 4 times 1, also 3 raised to power 4 times 5 raised to power 4. That is, this becomes x raised to power 4 equals to 3 raised to power 4 times 5 raised to power 4. Then recall also from the law of indices, a raised to power n times b raised to power n. And write this as a times b all raised to power n. So this equation becomes x raised to power 4 equals to 3 times 5 all raised to power 4. That is, we have x raised to power 4 equals to 15 raised to power 4. And take the right hand side to the left hand side, and we have x raised to power 4 minus 15 raised to power 4 equals to 0 here. And 4 can be separate as 2 times 2, which implies we have x square all square. As these two multiply, we have 4 minus also we have 15 square all square equals to 0 here. Then this follows when we have a square minus b square. This is the same thing as a plus b into brackets, open bracket, a minus b. That is, here a standing as x square and b standing as 15 square. So we can write this now, and we have x square plus 15 square into brackets, also into bracket, x square minus 15 square close bracket equals to 0 here. And we have two cases from here. First one, x square plus 15 square equals to 0. Or we have x square minus 15 square equals to 0. Solving here, this follows when we have a square plus b square. This is the same thing as a plus bi into brackets, also into brackets, a minus bi. That is, also we can write it as x plus 15i into brackets, also into bracket, x minus 15i close bracket equals to 0 here. Also we have two cases here. First one, x plus 15i equals to 0, or we have x minus 15i equals to 0 here. And solving here, we have x equals to minus 15i. We have a complex solution. Then also here we have x equals to 15i, which is also a complex solution. That is, we have two complex solutions here. Then from the second case here, that is x square minus 15 square equals to 0. This also follows when we have a square minus b square. This same thing as a plus b to bracket into bracket a minus b. So what we have here becomes x plus 15 into bracket, open bracket, x minus 15 close bracket equals to 0, which implies we also have two cases. X plus 15 equals to 0, or we have x minus 15 equals to 0. And here, this becomes x equals to minus 15, which is a real solution. Here also we have x equals to 15, which is also a real solution. That is, we have two real solutions as well, making four solutions together, two real and two complex. And we can write it out here. That is, we have x1 on the real, which is 15, x2, also the real solution, minus 15. We have x3 as 15i, which is complex, x4 as minus 15i, which is also complex. We have four solutions, two real and two complex. Then we can check if they satisfy this given problem. When we have a solution, that is s equals to plus or minus 15, substitute here and we have plus or minus 15 over 5 all raised to power 4 is equals to 81 on this side. So 15 over 5, that's 3. We have plus or minus 3 all raised to power 4 is equals to 81 from here. Whenever we square plus, or whenever we raise plus or minus to an even power, it will be plus. So either of this sign, when we raise it to even power, it will be plus. So we have 3 raised to power 4 is equals to 81. And writing plus the same thing as writing ordinary 3 raised to power 4. And 3 raised to power 4 means 3 multiply itself in 4 places. To multiply 3 in 4 places, we have 81 equals to 81 here. Left hand side now equals to right hand side. So these two real solutions here satisfy this given problem. Then also we substitute the complex solutions, which are plus or minus 15i. So this becomes plus or minus 15i over 5 or raised to power 4 is it equals to 81 on this side. Also, this can be written as plus or minus 3i or raised to power 4 is equals to 81, as 15 over 5 is 3. So when we square plus or minus turn to plus, 3 square, that's 81 times I raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 rather. So we can even write it first as 3 raised to power 4 is equals to 81 here. So here plus is as if we don't write anything, and 3 raised to power 4 is 81 times I raised to power 4. We should note that I square is minus 1. So I raised to power 4 means I square times I square, which is minus 1 times minus 1, which is equals to 1. So I raised to power 4 here is 1. Is it equals to 81? And 81 times 1 equals 81. Is equals to 81 here. Also left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, these two complex solutions also satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos. And turn on the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.